Hey friends, Megan here. So today I'm going to go ahead and dig up my store-bought potatoes that I replanted when they sprouted a little much. And we're gonna see, me and my helpers here are gonna see what kind of potatoes we've got. Now, I'm not too hopeful. I've never grown potatoes before, especially from store-bought potatoes. So we are going to bring them over here, dump them out, see what we've got, and I will show y'all the progress that these have started. I think I got some clips or something along the way. So look forward to that and see what we get in a harvest. Maybe you can try growing your sprouted potatoes too. What do y'all call these bugs? I call them roly-polies. Gonna be. Stop, baby. Stop, baby. Ah. Oh, okay. Well, in good news, it is possible. You can grow potatoes from store-bought potatoes. In bad news, evidently I'm way too impatient for potatoes because this is my harvest. Yep, this is my harvest. I don't even think there's enough there for one meal for one person. But it's better than nothing, right? Declan's freaking out over ants, but they're not ants. They're roly-polies. And I have the mother lip. You gotta pee? Come on. Potty break. Come on. But roly-poly wise, evidently I can grow them without any problem because I have an entire nest of them in what was my potato bed. It's gotta mean I got good soil going on, right? Look at this. Okay guys, so I want to see y'all's potato harvest. Did you get more potatoes than this? Thank you! You found another potato!
Yeah.
I don't know what else to say. There you go. Potatoes. From store-bought potatoes. They said it couldn't be done. It was done, just not very successfully. Better luck next year. What did you do with my potato? Where did you take my potato? I don't have that many. You can't take them. Did you feed it to the dog? Thank goodness the tomatoes and peppers have done much better than the potatoes did this year. Oh man. Thank you for bringing the potato back. No, we're gonna cook these for dinner. Yeah, you gonna try them for dinner? Our first potatoes ever. Have y'all ever failed horribly at a harvest of something? I need to know. Make me feel better. Have you ever had just a handful of potatoes? Comment down below. Let me know. Y'all have a great day. At least we got a laugh out of it. Bye now.